another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. Let's get right to it. Now, when you come to the back, there's ample room. And also up on the steering wheel for safety and convenience, you've got radio controls, Bluetooth, cruise control. The buttons here toggle through the back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. Now you've got backup camera, CD player, AM, FM, XM satellite radios, free for 90 days, auxiliary USB. Hey, no worries, different packages, different styles. We'll funnel that down and find out exactly what you're looking to achieve. Again, my name is Shannon Cowart. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or my personal cell, 205-907-4700. Thank you.